Hello everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet YouTube channel. Today I've got a fantastic treat for you. An easy and quick crochet earring pattern perfect for beginners. So grab your yarn, crochet hook and let's jump right into this fun project. First of all, we will look into the things needed. We will need some yarn. I'm going to be using a cotton kind over here, along with 1.5mm steel crochet hook, and we need 2 hook ear wires, 2 of the 6mm jump rings, and I'm going to use these 4 half cut beads. The diameter of these beads is 8mm, and we will need some fabric glue, the yarn needle, the pair of scissors and the flat nose pliers. These are the things required. Now let's see how to make it. We will start with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger 2 times like this. And then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we are ready with our magic ring. And then chain 2, yarn over, pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. And then we need to work 6 treble crochets into the magic ring. So yarn over twice. Keep the finger like this, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through the magic ring. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the first treble crochet over here, and then again yarn over twice. Keep the finger, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 trebles here. Again yarn over twice and insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Again this is going to be the 4th treble. Yarn over twice, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 4 trebles over here. Just like that we will continue to make 16 treble crochets into the magic ring. Now I have completed all 16 treble crochets over here, and then we need to pull this tail to close the magic ring like this, and chain 2, 1 and 2, and then work a slip stitch into the center of the magic ring. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Now we have completed the crochet part of the earring. And then we will leave a little tail and grab the scissors to cut the yarn off like so. And then we will pull this tail tight to close the magic ring properly. After that we can use the yarn needle to hide the tails of the project. So grab your yarn needle, insert that into few stitches and then hide the tail like this. This is what we have completed, and then we will decorate the piece with a bead. So apply some glue into the center of the work and then paste one of the half cut beads into the center. Again, we will do the same thing into the other side as well. Apply some fabric glue and then paste the half bead like this. Now we will open the jump ring up using the flat nose pliers and then insert that into a stitch on top of the earring like this, and then put the hook ear wire also into the jump ring. After that, you can close the jump ring with the pliers like this. Now we have completed our earring. Just like that, we can complete the other one as well. And there you have it. Your beautiful crochet earrings are complete. I hope you enjoyed making these as much as I did. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Hiru Handmade for more crochet patterns, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for crocheting along with me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!